Welcome to Houston, Texas, where the local time is 4:57. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in the exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings. And be careful when opening the overhead bins. To help keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open your overhead air vents. And if you're seated next to a window, please close the window shades. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel D12. You can quickly find the baggage claim information by opening the United app, selecting flight status, and entering the flight number. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope you enjoy your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the